should go across the water. Take me with you to be your partner. At fair or at market, you'll be well looked after, and you shall sleep with the Greek king's daughter. When first I saw you, 'twas Sunday morning, about the Easter as I was kneeling. 'Twas about the Passion that I was reading, but my eyes were on you, and my sad heart bleeding. Hold on a look, you'll not find me lazy, not like some high-born expensive lady. I'll do your milking, I'll nurse your baby, and if you be set on, defend you bravely. Come if you will, when the stars are sleeping. Knock at the door that makes no creaking. My mother will ask you to name your people. I'll tell her you're sad of the night wind weeping. Oh, you took what's before me and what's behind me. You took east and west when you wouldn't mind me. The moon and the stars from the sky are taken.